Black excellence does not only apply to celebrities or famous people. Black excellence should be defined by your impact on your community rather than the success and achievements of a single person's entity. Communities thrive when the resources granted to one person are dispersed amongst their peers. There are many avenues to achieve this idea of excellence or success. The avenue that I can mold my definition of success is through education. The ability to fund my degree will not only make me another person with a bachelor's in arts, but a person with the resources and knowledge to serve not only a resource to my community, but a blessing as well. Disparities in education and access have been prominent barriers in my community. Those before had the talent and vision to create long-standing businesses, but their lack of access to education to sustain those businesses and cater to the needs of the community were limited. With my degree, I will facilitate the resurgence of Black Wall Street, a prosperous Black community that is funded by Black commerce. Compared to other groups, the Black dollar is the quickest to leave the community. The lifespan of the Black dollar is 6 hours, compared to 28 days in Asian, 19 days in Jewish, and 17 days in Caucasian communities. If we had the business, the fair opportunity, and the resources to combat systematic racism, we could retain the Black dollar and fuel livelihood of our community. Access to one person who is community and service-driven facilitates the expansion of a population. Education is my avenue to facilitate access to my peers. Paying it forward is the only way to elevate as a collective and serve a blessing for another like myself. Thank you, Marcus Hillman.